unlocking a world of knowledge in an instant. Ready for today's quick insight?
Using tap water in your humidifier can introduce mineral deposits that promote bacterial growth and white dust. These particles can worsen respiratory issues and lead to more frequent cleaning needs. For better air quality, use distilled or demineralized water to minimize these risks.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.